All Unisa students, guess what? Unisa has officially opened their Unisa registration for 2025. Hi guys, happy New Year! I'm so happy. I am so happy to be back. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to Elevate Your Career with Confidence. It's gonna be hot here. It's gonna be nice and you're gonna enjoy. Welcome. In today's video, I'll be taking you through the steps on how you can register at the University of South Africa, popular known as Unisa. It's currently opened. It opened on the 8th of January. So I will be taking you through the steps on how to register. If you were accepted, if they gave you an offer to accept, I will definitely take you through the steps. And guys, I'll make a video on when it's up, when Unisa is opening for late applications. So also, if you did not apply back then, just know that I have you. I got your back. Yeah, I will let you know when. As soon as it opens, I'll make a video about it. And yeah, without wasting your time, let's get into it. Hi guys, you're just going to log in into your Google. I'll put the link on the description and it's going to take you to this page. When you get to this page, you're going to select the register. On the top right hand, there's apply register my Unisa. You're going to select register. After reading everything here, you're going to select register and it's going to take you to this page. And now we will start by going through everything. Firstly, you're going to go with register now, and yeah, there's an option on top. You have to press that option to say register, and then it's going to take you to this page. And at this page, you're going to press, after going through everything, you're going to press register now, and it's going to take you. And also make sure you have your student number. Make sure you know the course that you were accepted for, or you know at least the code, the description, the code, you know. And make sure you know how you'll be paying your fees and all those important stuff, right? So they will ask you if you have previously applied at Unisa. Obviously, since you have a student number, yes, you have previously applied at Unisa, and you're going to press yes, I have. And the next question they will ask you again is that, do you have a student number? And then yeah, you press yes, you do, and it's gonna take you to a new page. And when you get to the new page, you're going to fill in your details, you know, your ID number, your date of birth, your full name, surnames, and stuff like that. Obviously, if you applied, it's going to eventually pick you up for the course that you have applied for. Then it's going to display your information. After selecting, obviously it's going to show the course that you are accepted for. Then it's going to take you to the next step, which is showing your information. This is all the information, everything here. Just go through and check if everything is correct. Please note, you can't correct your name, surname, and ID. If that is the case, you'll have to go to the Unisa's branch to go fix those things. You can't fix them here before you get your certificate. Anyway, this is all the information. They are going to ask you, how do you prefer to get your books? You must say courier or at the counter. At the counter, it means you'll go to the branch. Courier, it means they courier the stationery to you. They're going to ask you if you're employed, you are unemployed or employed, and how are you planning on paying your fees. In most cases, we are going to say NSFAS, and they're going to ask you which branch you want to be, depending at where you are, and then you're going to press next after filling in all this information. The first question, please select to know if you're a first-time student. The second question, access to a card. Please select yes, for in case if you want to go to the institutions, and go to the next page. And then the page, this will be all the list of your modules. The last one says list all. You can ask them to list all, or just say level 1, and you're going to select 5 modules. If it's your first time, they only allow you to select 5 modules, not more than that. per semester, but after the first semester you can select more than 5. So you're going to select your 5, but just for this video purposes we're going to just show you how you do it. You select. After selecting, you're going to move forward and it's going to show you on the screen the modules you have selected. And they always ask you which type. They always use English, and then you press next, and then it's gonna take you to the final step. It's just going to confirm your information. Please confirm. Scroll down and there is read through. You press that one and then it's gonna turn gray, and then you successfully submit. You always select other there on top, and you successfully done, and it's gonna say your temporary registration was successful and you are done. If NSFAS is funding you, just wait for communication. If you are paying, you can pay yourself. And just like that, you will be done with your registration. And also, if you are so bothered and worried that you did not apply right now at Unisa, do not worry. It's going to open for late applications, and I will make a video for you guys so that as soon as it opens, you will be the first one to know and you'll be the first one to go apply, and you get your chance as well, so that you go through this process on how you can register. Right guys, thank you so much for 600 subscribers. I see you, I appreciate you. Thank you for your support, thank you for your love, thank you for watching. Even if you haven't subscribed but you are watching me, I am not judging you, because in 2025 we just look and we don't judge. But if you feel sorry, if you have that heart, you'll make sure that you subscribe, you share with your friends to help other people. Not really for me. Yes, for me it counts, but also for other people. As I'm saying, we are on the journey to get this channel monetized. But thank you so much. I appreciate those who are subscribing. I love those who are subscribing, and thank you to the Coco gang. Yeah, and that is the end of the video. I hope you guys go register and you follow the process and you will be fine. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one, which is very soon. Bye.